Arguably the biggest event, the biggest decision in crypto is pending. And that is the decision from the judge presiding over the Ripple SEC lawsuit as to determine whether or not XRP is a security or not. This is the biggest thing in crypto that we are all waiting on. And this has become even more magnified with the recent lawsuits from the SEC going after Binance and going after Exchange. And in those lawsuits, arbitrarily naming different crypto projects like Cardano and Polygon as securities, and basically brings it back to this pending decision as to whether or not XRP is a security, and all the variations on that. Whether as it was sold on exchanges and things, were those sales of unregistered securities and all that kind of stuff. And so again, this is the biggest event in crypto history because this sets the stage for all of these lawsuits, whether they're merited or warranted or not. This is the precedent, is the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. I can't state this enough. This is a huge, huge event. However you feel about XRP, like it, love it, hate it, whatever it is, you cannot play down the fact of how big this is. And thus it's something that all eyes are in crypto, and we're all waiting. All eyes in crypto are on this decision, and we're waiting for what this decision will be from the judge presiding over this case. Now, the winds out there, WINDS, the winds, if you will, of kind of how the winds are blowing, have seemed to be that it's leaning towards, Ripple's basically coming out viewed as the winner, if you will. We'll see how this plays out, but I'm also going to tell you this: regardless of let's say that the decision from the judge goes Ripple's way, still not going to change the behavior of the SEC. I still think you'll see, regulation by enforcement today. I still think you'll see all that play out. Meaning that I think that you'll still see the SEC still do their thing, still trying to go out there and go after crypto. I mean, it has become apparent and obvious that, Gary Gensler and the SEC just, they want to take crypto down, which doesn't make any sense to me, but that's a whole different, video. So with that said, I wanted to point this out, that this is the biggest crypto event in the history of crypto. Stay tuned. I'll see you.